Today is a great day for an adventure. Here's your refrano. This is my gold pan.
Hoppas Forkheim. I hope to fill this little vial.
Ooh, the river is not far now.
I have arrived at the spot. I must hike down to the water. The water is very clear and cold.
This looks like good gravel. Whoa.
Stree, I will dig right here. The pan is heavy with dirt. Now I put it underwater. I must wash the rocks off. Whoa, whoa. The dirt floats away. I remove the big stones. Whew. Now only small rocks are left. I swirl the water around. The light sand goes out. Woo. Whew. I am looking for heavy things. Ooh, see this black sand? It is heavy. Oh, ooh. I tap the pan gently. Oh. Nothing in this pan today. My back is a little tired. Ooh. I will try a new spot over here. Gold likes to hide behind rocks. Another pan to wash. You must have patience. The sun is hot on my hat. Oh. Hello, little dragonfly visitor. I am watching very closely now. Ooh. Wait! I see something shiny! Ah! I found a piece of gold. I will carefully pick it up. Ooh, whoa! Look how it shines in the sun. Ooh. Into the safe glass vial it goes. My first treasure of the day. Who not I want puppies to find. More now. Ooh, this is a lucky spot. I am getting faster at this. Whew. Goodbye, plain brown dirt. Time to check the bottom again. Whew, whew. This is fun. So much fun.
The collection is growing.
I need a short rest and some water.
It is very beautiful here.
My boots are very dirty. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, back to work. Whereas, Ooh,
maybe the gold is right here. Rock the pan back and forth.
Ooh. This is a pretty garnet, not gold.
I will keep it anyway.
It is getting late in the day. This is my very last pan today. No gold in the last one. That is okay. I am happy. Time to clean my tools.
Packing up is important. Three beautiful pieces of gold.
Keep it safe in my pocket. The walk up is harder. I am tired from digging all day. Almost back to the truck. These boots must come off before driving.
Time to drive home now.
Wait. Home sweet home.
It is good to be inside. I need to wash the river off me. Whew. Whew.
Let's look at it under the light.
They sparkle so much. I worked hard for this gold. I will keep you right here. Good night, gold. What an adventure.